God is love. uNkulunkulu uthando. Abantu abaningi abangijwayele nobalalela izinkulumo zami banakho ukunothisa ukuthi njalo uma ngiqeda ukumotivate noma ngiqeda ukwenza i-presentation ngihleze ngiveza ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthando. Namhlanje bengicela ukubachazela abantu abambalwa abafethu abangayazi lento ukuthi kungani. Angivamile ukuyichaza futhi angikhumbuli ngichazela abantu ukuthi kungani ngihleze ngithi God is love. Namhlanje ngicela ukuyichaza lento bafethu and ngizocela ukusebenzisa i-scenario abantu abaningi abayaziyo. Mangiyishare abafethu angiyishare ngoba ngidinga sympathy or anything, but ngiyishare ngoba khona umuntu oyilalele lento njengamanje ezomsiza. Sinompilo ngo-2014 sashonelwa umntwana ena-6 months bafethu engagulanga, bakubiza nge-court death. Igama lakho kwakunqaba, washona ena-6 months bafethu engagulanga, bafethu umuntu wadlula kuwo wonke ama-stages of grief. Ngizokhuluma ngami-ke njengomuntu wesilisa, considering ukuthi sabantu besilisa asikukhonzile ukuthi si-express ama-emotions nezinto ezidlula kuzo. Lokho-ke kwangiplanja into i-depression, ngayithola nje ngingasakhuleki, sengidinela uNkulunkulu, ngingasalifundi neBhayibheli, ngadlula kuzo zonke izimo umuntu angayicabanga, ngadinela uNkulunkulu ngale ndlela. Ngiyakhumbula nje, let me not refer to incwadi because this thing angifuni ukuba ngathi ihlose ukudayisa incwadi, but ifuna ukukhuluma nomunye umuntu la ukuthi mangithi bafethu God is love, ngoba kuzo zonke izinto engidlule kuzo nobuhlungu, angikhumbuli bafethu ngibhekana nobunzima obudlula loba bunzima bokulahlekelwa umntwana. As a person sengikhuluma ngami, kubo bonke ubuhlungu esengidlule kube emhlabeni abukho obuzolinganiswa nalobu bokulahlekelwa umntwana. But kukho konke bafethu, ithema sengibuka back kuyo yonke into enzakele, ngabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthando. Ingakho-ke ngihleze ngiyikhumbuza njalo ukuthi God is love kuyo yonke into esidlula kuyo mfethu, i-rape, yabona mfethu, ukulahlekelwa othandiweyo wakho, uxoshwe emsebenzini, nazo zonke nje izinto ongayibala mfethu, ekugcineni kuthi akuvele mfethu ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthando. Khona enye iphathi yayingilimaza laphana eBhayibhelini, indaba kaJobe. uNkulunkulu uvumela uSathane ukuthi hayi, ngiyakunika i-access ukuthi udile nale ndoda le. And it's quite interesting because i-school of thought engiphuma kuso sikhuluma ngokuthi uNkulunkulu akasilimazi kodwa uvumela lento lena, izinto ezimbi ukuthi zize kuthina uyakwazi ukuthi ayivumele ukuthi zenzeke kithi, not ukuthi isuke zenziwe uyena. Ingozi yemoto ayenziwa uNkulunkulu kodwa uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuthi ayivumele ngezathu zakhe-ke engeke ngikwazi ukuyichaza kwamina. uNkulunkulu akamthathanga umntwana wethu kodwa wasivumela leyo nto ukuthi umntwana wethu akwazi ukuhamba emncane ngaleyo ndlela. So now enye into engilimaza kakhulu eBhayibhelini, le ncwadi kaJobe imisiyophela, la uNkulunkulu ekade evumela uSathane ukuthi akwazi uku-inflict i-pain kuJobe. Imisiyophela incwadi, uJobe seba ne-interaction noNkulunkulu, and then instead of uNkulunkulu axolise ukuthi hey Jobe, I'm sorry ukuthi you had to go through this mfethu, kahle kahle I had a deal noSathane kanjani, sorry guys, I'm not a theologian, but ima ngibuka le nto yanginika izi-challenge ukuthi instead of uNkulunkulu axolise kuJobe ngepain uJobe adlule kuyona, sithola uNkulunkulu ebuza uJobe ukuthi ndoda, where were you when this was happening? Where were you uma ngidala umhlaba? Where were you ngenza lokhu nalokhu? And le mbuzo lena uNkulunkulu ubuza uJobe manje because wena you are challenging me ngale ndlela, where were you when this was happening? Where were you when I was doing this? And lo nto phethe yangenza ngabona ukuthi ongazuthi kuzo zonke izinto ezidlula kuzo uNkulunkulu iyodwa into asuke ilangazelele kakhulu ukuthi thina njengabantu sikhumbule ukuthi yena uba. Angizama ukubafana lana bafethu futhi angizama ukuza nama-gimmicks kupain ezidlula kuyo nezinto la kunama-questions, izinto enga-understandeki. Ongazuthi uNkulunkulu into enkulu asuke efuna thina siyiqonde ukuthi yena uba. Uma ukwazile ukubamba ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubani, usuke usudlale indima enkulu kunakho konke. Umazile ukuthi uyi-creator, he knows everything, he controls everything, and he could have protected you from that, but somehow he allowed it. Uma sekwenzekile konke sekufana wena inhliziyo yakho incike kwazini ukuthi uma ukuvumele for a reason. It's heavy, I know, but that place yokwazi ukuthi ngixoshisiwe emsebenzini, bengisebenza kahle, ngiyi-best employee, ngaxoshiswa, ingane zami zilambile njengamanje. Yes, it's not pleasant, Sazi iy'tori zabantu abashonelwa abazali ey'ngozini zey'moto besebancane bakhula benganabo abazali, bahambe behlale ey'hlotsheni mfethu bahlukumezeka nangaleyo nto. Even on that mfethu ukwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu is in charge mfethu, and uyazi ngaleso simo, and usivumele, and ekusivumeleni kwakhe there's something that God is doing, you know. Uma ngibuka impilo yami njengamanje ngila ngikhona, kuzo zonke izinto engidlule kuzo nobuhlungu engeke ngibuqhathanise nani, iyodwa into engigqamela kakhulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu uwuthando. And enye izinto engayibuza kuyona kakhulu ukuthi zingaki izinto uNkulunkulu abengayikhetha ukuthi asindise abantu bakhe. Why did he choose ukuthi uJesu adlule kwi-cross? That I've been saved for many years now, more than 15 years ngumzalwane. I don't understand, because akekho umuntu wangaquestion uNkulunkulu ukuthi why did you choose to save us through indlela esimple kanjena engenayo pain and suffering. Somehow uNkulunkulu wakhetha pain and suffering ukuthi thina sisindiswe, you know. And uma ngibuka i-cross ngibuka lela gazi lehlayo nokugwazwa kaJesu, I don't see igazi, I don't see konke lokho, ngibona uthando. Because konke lokho kwakwenzeka lapho kwakwenzeka ngenxa yothando. Ngokuba uNkulunkulu walithanda izwe kangaka waze wanikela ngendodana yakhe ukuba yilo nalo okholwa yiyo angabi nakubhubha kodwa abe nokuphila okuyingunaphakade. Inkinga obhekene nayo njengamanje, inhloso ngqange yayo ukuthi challenge inhliziyo kaNkulunkulu. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu uma ukuthi ubekuthanda uyivumeleleni leyo nto. Ingqinamba ezidlula kuzo zi-challenge thina to the core. So if ungakwazi ukuthi kuleyo nto odlula kuyo ukwazi uku-acknowledge i-pain, ungabi fake, acknowledge i-pain, ube nama-frustrations, but kukho konke ufike kuleli phuzu lokwazi ukuthi God is love. Yo, ngicabanga unosathane uyajabha, because even nama-atheists mfethu they live iy'mpilo zabo bengakholelwa kuNkulunkulu, but when the minute they feel the pain they wanna use that ukuthi yeah uyabona uNkulunkulu akekho, ukuba ukhona why ngidlule inkinga, why uma wami eshonile, why ngikhuleke kabuhlungu kanje. Let me end it there bazalwane, but I hope nasenye understand ukuthi every time ngithi God is love, I mean it. It's not because it's a tagline engicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ifensi noma izongenza ngistand out. No, it's a reminder every day ukuthi God is love. Kunoma ibuphi ubuhlungu odlula kubo, God is love. Uma nje waze lokho, yabona umethu azathi omunye lapha eBhayibhelini, ngicishe ngayicula le ngoba ikhona nasengomeni ukuthi singayaphi masisuka kuwe, ngoba wonke amazwi okuphila kuwe, you know. When usunaleso sambulo sokuthi I am not here because I'm waiting for a better option. I am here because wena nkulunkulu uyikho konke, uthando, unamandla, usomandla. Akukho kwenzekayo ungakwazi. Azathi laphana kuMatthew wazi ngisho inamba yezinwele zethu, uyazazi ukuthi zingaki. Azakhulume laphana ukuthi ngisho nalezi inyoni lezi ngiyayiphakela mina, you know, azilimi lezi inyoni ngiyayiphakela. So why wena ngeke ngikunakekela ngoba phela ubaluleke kakhulu kunalezi inyoni. And usathana uma efika ufuna ukwenza sure ukuthi thina so doubta inhliziyo kaNkulunkulu. God is love. This was not me trying to be, you know, show ukuthi ngihlakaniphe kangakanani, philosophy and theology. No, I'm none of that. But all I know ukuthi kuyo yonke ipain engidlule ngayo as a man, I did bleed, yeah. I did question a whole lot of things. But the most beautiful thing is I'm at a point where every day I wake up saying God is love. Kunoma ubani odlula kwi-pain, I do hope this message will minister to you. Kuzo zonke izinto engenzeka, uma uzobamba le yokuthi God is love, izinze la kuwe, you'll be anchored. You'll be anchored endaweni efanele kuChrist. And zonke ivunguvungu izoza kuwe because you are anchored, or you've built your house on the solid rock, Christ. Azofika ama-question bathi mthukele uNkulunkulu wakho kwenze konke, but because you've built your house on the rock, you will survive that. God is love.